Is a calorie just a calorie? No, and that's why your diet keeps failing. Forget the complicated math. I'm going to teach you the simple food language your body actually understands: protein, carbs, and fats. Hey FitNut family! If you've ever tried to lose weight, you've probably been told to count calories. And if you're like most people, you found it tedious, restrictive, and it took all the joy out of eating. Today, we're ditching the calculator and embracing a smarter, more sustainable approach, understanding macronutrients, or macros. This isn't about restriction, it's about balance. By the end of this video, you'll understand what your body needs and why, empowering you to build healthy, satisfying meals without obsessive tracking. So, what are these macros everyone talks about? It's simple. They are the three main nutrients your body needs in large amounts to function: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. They all provide energy, measured in calories. Here's the breakdown. Protein and carbs both have 4 calories per gram. Fat is more energy dense with 9 calories per gram. Let's dive into what each one does. Think of protein as the construction crew for your body. Its main job is to build and repair tissues. This is crucial for building lean muscle, which we know boosts your metabolism. But it also builds your hair, nails, skin, and even immune cells. You can get protein from animal sources like chicken, fish, eggs, and Greek yogurt. These are complete proteins, meaning they have all the essential amino acids your body can't make itself. But you can absolutely thrive on plant-based proteins too. Things like tofu, lentils, beans, and nuts are fantastic. You just need to eat a variety to get all those essential building blocks. Carbs have been demonized, but they are your body's #1, most efficient fuel source. Your brain, in particular, runs on glucose, which comes from carbs. They're what power you through tough workouts. The key is choosing the right kind. We want to focus on complex carbs. These are things like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains like oatmeal and brown rice. They're packed with fiber, which slows down digestion and gives you steady, long-lasting energy. Simple carbs, like white bread and sugary snacks, give you a quick spike and crash. They have their place, but the foundation of your diet should be complex carbs. Fat doesn't make you fat. Healthy fats are absolutely essential. They help you absorb certain vitamins. They're a crucial part of your cell structure, and they are vital for producing hormones. We want to focus on unsaturated fats. These are the good guys found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. We want to limit saturated and trans fats, which are found in many processed foods and can be harmful to heart health. So, fat is your friend. You just have to choose the right friends. Okay, that was a lot of info. How do we make this simple in real life? Use the plate method. Imagine your plate. Fill half of it with non-starchy vegetables. That's your high-fiber carb source. Fill 1/4 of it with a lean protein source. And fill the last quarter with a complex carb or starchy vegetable like brown rice or sweet potato. Then add a serving of healthy fats, like a slice of avocado or a drizzle of olive oil. That's it, a perfectly balanced meal, no counting required. Now for the aha moment that will change how you view carbohydrates forever. It's a concept called protein sparing. When you don't eat enough carbs, your body still needs energy. So, where does it get it? It starts breaking down precious protein from your food and from your muscles to convert it into glucose. So, eating enough healthy carbohydrates actually protects your muscle mass. It allows the protein you eat to do its main job, building and repairing. Carbs and protein are a team. They work together. Carbs are not the enemy. They're the teammate that lets your star player protein score. Now you speak your body's language. It's not about restriction, it's about balance. If this guide was helpful, please hit the like button and share it with someone who's tired of counting calories. For your homework, build your next meal using the plate method, take a picture, and tag us on Instagram at FitNut. We want to see your creations. Subscribe for more simple nutrition truths.